It's apple season, and what's better with apples than apple crisp? Let's make it. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands. First, you're going to want to start out with 1/4 cup of oatmeal, 1/4 cup of flour, 1/3 of a cup of packed brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter. Take a fork and just mix it around until you get it all combined. When you get all this stirred around, set it aside so that you can prepare your apples. You'll need to wash 4 small apples. Now that we have our apples washed, we are going to core and thinly slice. So I'm just going to use this apple corer to make it a little easier. And then I'm going to pull my apples out. And you'll need to thinly slice your apples. You're going to use an 8x8 baking dish, and you're going to spray the dish so that the apples don't stick. You may have noticed that we didn't cut the peeling off the apple. It saves time, plus you get that added bonus of fiber. So you want to sprinkle your apples into your dish and spread them out evenly. And then we're going to sprinkle the oatmeal mixture over the apples. Just like that. Then you're going to want to put it into a 375-degree oven and bake for about 30 minutes. Doesn't this look good? This is a great dessert or snack, and this recipe makes 6 servings. And if you want to get really fancy, add a little whipped cream. Enjoy! For this and more recipes, check out Eat.Move.Save.org.
Eat.Move.Save.